A very good morning, my dear students. I'm a GK teacher and welcome you all for the online session of GK classes. Today, in your GK book, we are going to study about rainbow colors. So, here in this page, it is written over here, a rainbow dressed in 7 colors makes a pretty sight in the sky. So, when we see a rainbow in the sky, it looks so pretty. You can see in this image, here it's an image of a rainbow and it is looking so beautiful, and we know that rainbow is having 7 colors. So, here the question is find its colors. Okay, so we already know that rainbow is having 7 colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, these are the 7 colors of a rainbow. So you have to write over here those 7 colors. So the question is find its colors. So you have to write over here. You can see in this page already the first letters of 7 colors is given here, like V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. So only you have to write the rest letters. Okay, like V is already here, so we know that V for violet, so only you have to write IOLET. Okay, so violet. I for indigo. I is already here, so you have to write NDIGO. Indigo. B for blue. So B is already here, so you have to write LUE. Blue. G for green. So G is already here. You have to write REEN. Green. Okay. Y for yellow, so you have to write over here ELLOW. Y is already here, so this is yellow. O for orange, so you have to write over here RANGE. Orange. Okay, so R for red. R is already here, so you have to write only ED. So like this way you have to write all the colors name. Here, the next question is draw a rainbow and color it. So, in this blank space, in this box, what you have to do, you have to draw a colorful rainbow. Okay. So, you have to draw rainbow very neatly and beautifully, and you know that there are 7 colors in a rainbow. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, so you have to put those colors in your rainbow and draw it very beautifully. So coming to the next one, here are some fill-ups. So before putting the proper answer in these fill-ups, where we are going to read something. So first of all, days of the week. As we all know that there are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. So these total days means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These total days makes a week. Then months of the year. As we know that in a year there are how many months? There are 12 months in a year, like January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, here July, August, September, October, November, and December. So these are the 12 months in a year. So we already know that there are 365 days also in a year. So how many days are there in a year? There are 365 days in a year. So now we are going to fill up those missing blanks. Okay, so in each and every question there are two options, so you have to choose only one options and write it down in their proper place. So first one is dash hours make a day. In the bracket it is written over here 24 and 28, and we know that 24 hours make a day. So you have to take it out over first 24 and you have to write 24 over here. Okay. The second one, dash days make a week. So how many days are there in a week? We know that there are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so these are the 7 days of a week. So you have to tick over 7 and you have to write in the blank 7. Third is dash days make a fortnight. So fortnight means 15 days. In the bracket 25 and 15, both options are here. So you have to tick over 15 and in the blank you have to write 15. Next, dash months make a year. So we know that in a year, how many months are there? There are 12 months. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So these are the 12 months. So in the option 24 and 12 are there. So you have to tick over 12 and in the blank you have to write 12. Next, 365 days make a year. We know that how many days make a year? 365 days make a year. So in the options 365 and 360, both number of days are there. So you have to take over 365. So in the blank you have to write 365, which make a year. 365 days make a year. Sixth, February has dash days. In the bracket it is given 28 and 30. Both days are there. So February, we know that in the month of February it is having 28 days. Okay, so you have to take over 28 and write it down in the blank 28. So February has 28 days. Seventh, in a leap year, February has dash days. So in the bracket it is given over here 29 and 27. So the correct answer is 29. So in the blank you have to write down 29. So we know that in a leap year, February is having 1 day extra, means normally February is having 28 days. In a leap year, February is having 29 days. So you have to take over 29 and in the blank you have to write 29. Now next one is January, March, May, July, August, October and December have dash days. In the options there are both 31 and 26 are given over here. So you have to write 31, means January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. Okay, now next, April, June, September and November have dash days. So in the option it is given 30 or 28. So you have to take over 30 and in the blank you have to write 30. So April, June, September and November have 30 days. So let us recap this fill-ups again. First one, dash hours make a day means 24 hours make a day. Second, dash days make a week means 7 days make a week. Third, dash days make a fortnight, so 15 days make a fortnight. Fourth, dash months make a year, so 12 months make a year. Fifth, dash days make a year, through 365 days make a year. Sixth, February has dash days. So February has 28 days. In a leap year, February has dash days. In a leap year, February has 29 days. Number 8, January, March, May, July, August, October and December have dash days. So January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. Number 9, April, June, September and November have dash days. So April, June, September and November have 30 days. So my dear children, you have to write these fill-ups and those colors name in your GK book and write it down very neatly and beautifully, and you have to draw that rainbow with 7 colors in this box, and this is for your homework, as you know. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.